Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So friends, I see the subscribers are increasing 151. Those who have not subscribed my channel, do subscribe my channel. So friends, this is video 12 of Python series, which is nothing but filter function. It's just a small short video about filter function. So before that, if you have any doubt related to Python or else any other technical stuff, you can see here the LinkedIn option. If you just click on this, you will be redirected to my LinkedIn page where you can personally ping me or message me if you have any doubts related to Python or else any other tech related, or if you have any promotions just in case. So let's not waste our time. Let's dive into the topic. So I have taken a new book. So the previous videos, whatever I have typed, that notebook, the notebook second will be available on my GitHub. As I have mentioned earlier in the map function video also, I have commented below, and in this video also I'll be like giving the link in the description. Check out that. So let's not waste our time. Let's dive into the topic. So this is filter function and video 12. So friends, let me first tell you all the definition. A filter function is nothing but which returns an iterator when the iter items of the filter through the function and it does not accept. Let me tell you all easily, like it's nothing but it just checks the particular code and checks the requirements. Based on that, it just only filters what you requires to you based on your requirements. Let's understand this with coding example. You don't need to take tension about the definition or anything because I have already created a detailed article about filter function. That article link also will be available in the description, including definition is available in that. You can check out that article. Now let me just show you all a basic example of filter function where you will easily understand. Only one example you will easily understand. So example of filter function. So let me take for this order even number only because we need minimum two scenarios. I mean true or false. We have to decide. Then only we can perform a filter function. So I'll take def function. Def if the particular odd hyphen eve even equals to num. If num percentile 2 double equals to 0, true. Only one condition is enough for us. So to filter, we are just gonna filter, right? So we don't need false here. So for that, we need to take something list. So I'll take LST is equals to 1, 2, 3, 9. Let's take till 9 for this particular question. Now what we are gonna do is we are just gonna use filter function. Filter is nothing but an inbuilt keyword. So in Python, many of the functions or else many of the inbuilt keywords are there which you have to remember. With that, you can perform the task anything easily. Filter. So I want to filter out what I have to filter out. So I have already created a function in which I want order even. So I'll take, I have to like mention that only odd hyphen EV underscore EVE comma, and you have to mention which you want to filter out. So I want to filter LST. Now if I run this, yeah, so you can see here it is showing you the memory location where it is saved. So if you want to see this particular output, what you have to do, nothing but just add a list in front of it, not the list uh, bracket. You should type the list keyword, inbuilt keyword, and you have to open and close the normal brackets and run this one. Now you can see here which are even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8 are even numbers. So it got displayed easily, it got filtered. So if I give here false instead of true, now it should show me, but to this return to LST. Okay, so it's if when I gave it false, it is not showing because I have given it false. So it is showing the empty list. Now it is showing the only even numbers which it contains. So I hope you understood this particular filter function with just one example. Now let me ask you a question. Can we use any other inbuilt function in this filter function like lambda function or map function? For that, if you ask me, yes, you can definitely use it. So let me show you a small example of lambda function using filter function. Filter. For this, I have already created that one. So I'll directly create a list inbuilt keyword. I'll open brace. Then I'll again use file filter. Now again open brace. Now take the lambda function and now mention the argument number. So the number of, yeah, I'm just taking a num keyword. So num percentile 2 double equals to 0. So this is my function which it should perform, and I'll take list. Now if I run that one, see, you can see the same output. And now finally lambda function is done. Can we use map function? For this also I'll remove this one and I'll try to keep it here. I'll remove filter. So this is the basic difference. In map function, you can see here it just tries to iterate everything and it will show you which is true, which is false. So according to the list, 1 is not an even number, so it is giving me false. 2 is an even number, so it's giving me true. This is just a basic difference between map and filter function. In filter function, it just segregates and show you the only output of the filtered output of what you require. But in map function, it directly shows you in Boolean type which are including which is required and which is not required. It just does not segregate, but filter function directly segregates. So friends, as I told you, this is just a small short video of filter function. That's all. So friends, that's all for this video. If you have any doubts, do ping me or even you can comment below. If do like, share and subscribe my channel, and if you have not watched the previous video, do watch it. Keep learning. Thank you. Bye.